Workamajig is a complete back-end to front-end software program that was designed and developed for the advertising industry. And when I mean back-end, I mean the complete accounting back-end. When I mean the front-end, the complete project management requirements for an ad agency. And it is all resident in one database. My name is Vince Dong. My title is founder of Advice Software and Consulting, Inc. Many agencies, before signing up with Workamajig, is they would create an Excel spreadsheet and manually process. And if you miss a month, you're missing revenue. If you put the wrong number in, you've got incorrect deferred revenue, and you've also got incorrect revenue, instead of having it in one single database. Agencies are not aware of this deferred revenue business in order to control the revenue recognition on their own. The ability to show a client profit and loss in no time flat after month end for agency owners is riveting, is eye-opening. They get to see which clients are losing money every month. They get to see which clients are making money every month. Workamajig has done a wonderful job on WIP. They've built a module in the program that is, in essence, many years ahead of how people should be thinking about their financial reporting, and it has benefited many agencies. Every agency that I work with uses working process. There is always a return on investment on time savings, guaranteed.